Hi guys, it's Vanessa from Wander Onwards, and we are doing another tour with our friends at AsadoAdventures. But today we are doing much more restaurants. We're gonna have a walking tour through Palermo, and we're gonna show you some of the best food that Buenos Aires has to offer. Of course, if you are enjoying this content, don't forget to leave a subscribe. It really helps my channel, and it lets other people know that this is a video worth watching. First up today we have Medialunas, and these are actually quite thick in comparison to the ones that we've been eating while we've been here. This is a traditional staple in Buenos Aires, and Argentinians like to enjoy one of these along with a cup of coffee. Very simple, very easy. Also, another staple is the mate drink as well, but be careful with those because they punch hard, and the first drink is always the sweetest and the most strong. So, welcome to breakfast. Right behind me, we have the yerba mate tree, and it's the leaves that you're going to be consuming, and we'll show you a little taste of what that looks like. Right, we have some more Bife de Chorizo here today with some chimichurri on top. We're also pairing it with beautiful squash right now. Local restaurant. There's lots of people here enjoying their Sunday lunch, and it's totally packed.
They were using these penguins to serve the wine, and then they will use this, which we call soda. This is the bottle is called siphon. So you have sparkling water here, right? So you just pour some soda, half wine and half soda. So it was like easier to drink.
Thanks for watching. If you liked that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.